In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a video thumbnail in Dropbox. Now, before we get started, it's important to understand one key thing. Dropbox does not currently offer a built-in feature that lets you manually upload or assign a custom thumbnail for a video the way some video platforms do. However, there is a simple workaround you can use to influence the preview image that appears, and in many cases, this is the easiest and most effective method. First, open Dropbox in your browser or app and sign into your account. Once you're inside your Dropbox dashboard, you'll be able to access your stored files and folders. Make sure you're using the account where your video is saved so you can locate the correct file quickly. Next, find the video you want to work with and open it. You can do this by browsing through your folders or using the search feature if you have a lot of content stored in your account. Once you locate the video, click on it to open the preview. This is the area where Dropbox displays the file and generates the preview image people may see before playing the video. After the video preview opens, look for the playback timeline or slider. Move the video slider through the clip and pause on the frame you would like Dropbox to use as the thumbnail or preview image. This step is the most important part of the process because Dropbox often pulls a preview frame from early in the playback. By choosing a cleaner, clearer, or more visually appealing frame near the beginning of the video, you can improve how the preview appears. A helpful tip here is to choose a frame that is bright, in focus, and easy to recognize at a glance. If the beginning of your video is dark, blurry, or shows a transition, the preview may not look very good. Since Dropbox frequently relies on an early playback frame, it's a good idea to be mindful of what appears in those first moments. Keep in mind that this is a workaround, not a guaranteed manual thumbnail editor. In some cases, Dropbox may take a little time to refresh the preview image, so if you don't see changes immediately, give it a moment and check again later. That's all there is to it. By opening your video, moving to a better frame, and understanding how Dropbox generates previews, you can improve the thumbnail appearance without needing any advanced tools.